Kia ora whānau, late here on a Thursday night, and I'm just sitting here checking out the page, and I noticed a few comments on wanting to be able to hear pronunciations and using that to help learn the language. So being on the topic, I guess, of kei hea, or where is this week, I thought I'd go through that post I put up on Sunday night and go through some of the line items that I put in there. So in that post, there's the lines like kei raro te poro I te tepu, kei roto te poro I te whare, kei mua te tepu I te whare, kei muri te poro I te tepu. What else? Kei raro te poro I te tepu, kei raro I te tepu te poro, kei hea te poro, kei runga I te tepu, kei te whare te poro, kei te pāka te tama, kei te toia. So there, that's obviously me saying some of those sentences, which might help a bit. But I'd also really encourage you to go through that process of question and answer, because in conversation, that's what we're doing. We're saying something and then something's coming back. So it's all about the conversation, because what you can get caught up on is learning all these things individually, and way you'd probably describe it is you know the language, but you're not conversational in it, which can be a problem because you know all this stuff, it's all in your head, but you don't know how to say things in response to things. You don't know how to answer questions properly. So being able to ask questions properly and being able to hear them and knowing what to say next is really important. So keep at it, and keep me posted on the page. Post up a post on how you're going, how you've been finding it, what your challenges are, what works, what doesn't work, all that sort of stuff. So, all right, good night.